Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. It's been a long time since I've actually posted a cooking video, and today I'm going to do something really simple that anyone can do. This recipe was taught to me by my ex-colleague in Singapore. So today's recipe, or rather today's dish, will be pickled radish. So first of all, we have here, which is the radish. I actually got this in the Japanese supermarket. You can actually use Chinese radish. And then next we need to have, sorry for the things behind, it's very messy. We have vinegar. This is very important because without vinegar you cannot do any pickled stuff. But if you are in Singapore or any places where they sell white vinegar, please use that. I can't find any white vinegar nearby my place, so I had to use this vinegar. And last of all, sugar. Okay, so first of all, you need to, right, if your radish is wrapped up, you just cut it. Usually radish in Japan, they're all wrapped up, so I have no choice but to like cut it off and so on. And next, it depends on how you actually peel off the skin. For me, I'm not an expert. I use the peeler. So this is the peeler. So basically what I do, I just put it like that. I'm a lazy person. So just shave it or shave off the skin like that. Okay, and then next thing you do, right? Okay, you can see, right, how much you want. So basically, I'll usually cut this thick. You see, this thick first because you want to eat in cubes. You can eat in different slices, but usually I eat mine in cubes. So you can see I have something round here, right? So next, what you do is, hold on, let me put this somewhere first. Let me put this here. You see? Okay, so after that, what you do is make sure that you cut into squares. How to cut into squares? First, cut into some rectangle shapes. After that, turn it this way, and then you get your cubes. Okay, I forgot to tell you all where to store your radish and vinegar. Okay, so basically I always use a glass container. I bought this from Daiso. This is pretty good, but let's say if you don't want to waste the money and specifically go and buy a glass container, one of the best ways is that you could actually use Nescafe's bottle. My ex-colleague, she always used the Nescafe bottles to store all this pickled stuff. Yep, so once you cut, just throw it inside. I fill out butter because it tastes nicer that way. Okay, so now you can see it's nearly half. And next, what you do is that you have to add sugar. So it depends on how sweet you want it to be. Previously, I put a lot of sugar and it was like so damn sweet. Then I end up putting even more vinegar. So usually I'll put 2 spoons. So usually I put 2 spoons like this. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. Salt. Usually I use this coarse sea salt, but you can use any salt. I'm not too sure about using pink salt, pink Himalayan salt. Yeah. So usually I just like put a bit, 1, 2. And that's it. It's very simple. Once you're done, close it up and then just give it a shake. Shake, shake, shake. Make sure the whole thing goes inside. Shake, shake, shake. And then you're done. It's simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do check out my channel for more videos. Currently I'm doing gaming, so yeah, I might do gaming. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!